one of the priests in NGOROKPALA came to see me in the hotel in Owerri. One of the Reverend Father in NGOROKPALA. But I was in the hotel with Father Kennedy. He came to see me. He said, man of God, I was in that program on Sunday. I disguised myself. I've never seen this kind of grace. Let me tell you the truth. You're a blessing. But it may be difficult for many of us to understand this. Every Sunday, I make like 2,000 naira in all my offering. But that day you hold the program. The money I've never collected as offering since 5 years, I collected it in that Sunday. I celebrated Mass like 3 times. I have never done 2 Mass in that parish. It's always once. And that once is only few people. He came to see me and said, in the hotel, Father Kennedy was there in the hotel. He came to see me. Do you know, even your people supported me, bought the generator. He said, anybody that don't want you to leave, I use my priestly power. Let that person enter grave. See, our Father he now told me that many pastors there are looking for a way they can have. I said, I'm the pastor, banquet, Father poor, no mass. Or see, every day you will be in my mass. One of the priests in NGOROKPALA. Because, look at the father told me, I've never seen this kind of multitude since I was born as a priest. No native doctor can do that. No witchcraft. This is only what God can do. Why can't we be happy for this kind of thing?